Hi Henley students. Today we're going to be making a paper collage, or like Henri Matisse would say, paper cutouts. And we are going to be using paper, scissors, pencil, and glue stick. You should all have the small construction paper, or you can find any color paper if you don't have it. A large white paper from the art folder Mrs. Frullo gave you. You can open up the large white paper and smooth out the fold. You're going to take the color construction paper and we're going to start by just drawing some shapes. You can make the shapes as big as you want. So you can draw with your pencil. That always helps. I like to draw my shapes in the corners because I find that helps me get at least two of the sides nice and straight. Cut on the lines. And there I have one of my shapes. Now I can take this paper, cut it, and make two more shapes if I want. I can use geometric shapes like these, or I can do organic shapes. Organic shapes are the shapes with the wobbly edges, usually not very straight, coming from nature. They can look like lots of different things, or they could look like one thing. It's all in your imagination. I'm going to cut out some more shapes. While I do that, I'm going to pause my video. Okay, I'm done cutting out my shapes. I have a circle. I used something round that I had, traced it, and then cut it out to make it a nice circle. Triangle, a square, a rectangle, and then some really cool looking organic shapes. Now, when I glue, I like to use the glue on the side that has the pencil lines so that when it gets stuck onto the paper, the nice clean side is showing. So I'm going to pick a spot. I like to lay it out first, and I kind of like what I had, so I'm going to stick with the arrangement that I had as best as I can. Again, I'm going to pause the video, and then when I come back, you'll see what it looks like when it's all glued. Okay, I'm all done gluing now, but I'm not done with my project yet. Now I'm going to want to get some crayons or some markers or colored pencils, whatever you guys have with you. I'm going to start drawing some fun lines going around my shape. I'm going to draw the same shape around the first shape. And I think I might want to do different colors, sometimes the same color. Ooh, those two shapes are touching, that's fine. This shape is going off the edge of the paper, and that's fine too. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. I'm going to fill up my paper as much as I can until I really can't go anymore. Those two are touching too. Depending on how close your shapes are to each other, they may touch at different times. I'm going to keep going until I can fill up as much as I can. Okay, now all of my lines are touching. I think I'm just going to go around with the same color for all of the shapes now that they're all touching. Try to fill up the paper as much as possible. Do the middle too. Don't forget about the middles. My picture is so bright and colorful now. I can stop drawing these lines anytime I want. Once you think you're done, that's it. You can stop. But I think I'm just going to keep on going because this is fun. Ooh, not much room left. Maybe just a little on the bottom right there. Some blue. A teeny bit in the corner. Let's do red is the last color. And I'm done. Very colorful, lots of fun. I used shapes, I used lines, I used colors. 3 out of the 7 elements of art. Have a wonderful time doing this project, boys and girls, and I can't wait to see your artwork. Bye.